How to change spoken language in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. To change the spoken language in Rainbow Six Mobile, you'll need to adjust the language setting either inside the game. You'll need to adjust the spoken language setting inside the game. First of all, open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your Android device or your iOS device and make sure that you're inside this lobby page. Once you're in, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will open the settings menu. Under settings, go to the left hand side menu and tap on language. Inside language, scroll down to spoken language and select the different language you want to change to. After making your selection, click on yes and the game will reboot and you'll be able to change the spoken language in the game. Now your operator's and announcer's voice will speak in your selected language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.